Hey guys, David Rishka here. Just running some errands today, but decided to pull over, and I want to give you a short training over here. 7 steps, the ultimate 7 steps to success. I've done some studying the past few days, and I want to share the information with you. I took some notes over here. I have it on a paper over here so that I don't miss anything. But first, let me tell you, you can apply these 7 steps to your business, whether you want to make extra $1,000 a month, just part-time, or if you want to create multi-million-dollar business. These steps apply to both of them. So let's get into it. But before we get into it, I want to talk about your mindset a little bit too. I want to give you like 3 things that are extremely important for you to run your business, especially if you are starting out right now. So the first thing is consistency. You have to be consistent. If you have daily tasks or things that you need to do in order to bring leads, bring customers, work your business, you have to be consistent on daily basis to do the things. And of course, consistency leads to persistence. If you have any obstacles, if you don't feel good, for example, or if you have any problems, you still have to stay on top of it and work your business no matter what happens. You cannot take break for a week or 2 months and think that it's gonna be working. You have to keep working on it, at least for a few hours every day. And the third thing is patience. Be patient. Give yourself, when you start a business, give yourself at least 3 months or 60 days, especially with online businesses. It takes a little time, when you start up, when you invest your money into it, to create, to get the business running and off the ground. So consistency, persistence, and patience, those are the 3 important things that you have to keep in mind to run your business successfully. But let's jump into the 7 steps to ultimate success in running your business. So the first step is acquisition. So you are acquiring, or you acquire opportunity, but you don't know how to do it. Like, you've been looking for opportunities maybe online or offline to improve your lifestyle, to create a business, to create your dream life, but you are not really sure how to go about doing it, and you are looking for ways to learn how to do it. So that will bring you to your second step, which is comprehension. And that means learning how to run your business, learning what it takes to be successful, learning what it takes or how to get leads or customers to your business. And it's good, especially in the beginning, to have like a success coach, or go to seminars, attend some trainings, mingle with like-minded people who are in the same business or similar business. And it's a little bit of evolution for yourself, because you are evolving as a business person and as a person. So most people start from ground zero. They don't have any experience, just like I did, in running online business. But study on daily basis, read good books, watch videos, and talk to people who are already successful. Don't surround yourself with downers and negative people. That's just waste of time, and they're gonna suck up your energy, and it's not really worth it. I've done that mistake before, trust me. But time is one thing that nobody will give you back, so don't waste your time with people who are not gonna really help you. Third step is application. So once you learn what it takes to run your business and the steps, and you have kind of idea how to do it, it's important to take action. Don't be sitting on your sidelines and wait for the perfect time, because you will never have the perfect time. There will always be something that might be blocking you a little bit or stopping you from doing it. But don't you wait on the sidelines and wait. Just once you learn it, go ahead and take action and keep moving forward. You know, if you take one step at a time, small steps, you know, that's good, as long as you start moving forward, moving the ball forward and going towards your direction. Give yourself 30 days, you know, and see what the results are. And so this third step, that brings me to a fourth step, which is evaluation. So after 30 days or 60 days or 90 days, once you're running your business, you know, take a time, step back a little bit and look at your results. See how your business is operating and running. Are you getting the results that you desired, or does it need any improvements? You know, anything that you have to take care of and make better. So this is very important step, and it's never ending. Everybody does it, whether you are running a multi-billion-dollar business or just a few $1,000s a month. You know, every successful businessman takes a step back and evaluates the actions that he's taken, and a lot of times you have to adjust, you know, the actions that you are taking, you know, improve them. With online marketing and online business, everything is changing so fast, you know, so you have to stay on top of it, you know, go to training and you know, talk to people who are in the same business, so you are on the cutting edge of what's going on in the world, you know, so you don't fall behind. Fifth step is correction. So if you are evaluating your business and you see that you are not getting the results that you know, really want to, then you have to correct the mistakes or improve whatever it is that needs to be improved in order to get, you know, the results that you desire. So while you are looking at your results, pay attention to the numbers. You know, how much money are you making, how much money are you spending, and then correct, you know, on for example, if you have campaigns on Google or Facebook or, you know, Instagram, you can adjust the spending limits, you know, the keywords and stuff like that. For example, I'm just giving you an example to, you know, to get the desired results. You wouldn't believe that sometimes a tiny little tweak can make a huge difference in your business and can make you, you know, a few thousand or, you know, $100,000 more than you were making the month before. So that was number 5, correction. Step number 6 is reapplication. So once you corrected what you were doing before and improved it, you have to reapply what you were doing. And you know, it's like I said before, it's never ending process. You constantly looking at your results every month or every 2 months or every 2 weeks or every week, whatever you decided. And you know, you have to reapply the improved strategy for your business. So this is number 6. And number 7 is results. Of course, you have to look at the results every time and again, you know, to see where you are taking. I know it sounds like I'm repeating myself, but you have to reapply these 7 steps on a continuous basis. Otherwise your business is gonna come to stagnation and you're gonna stop making money. So I'm gonna repeat these steps. Number 1, acquisition is where you acquire opportunity. Number 2 is comprehension, is to understand your business, how it's running and what it takes, you know, to keep it running and improving. Number 3 is action, application. So you have to take action. You have to start running ads, you know, or marketing and stuff like that, you know, do the things that start the wheels spinning and, you know, you start moving forward. After you take action, you have to evaluate every now and then, every week, every month or every few months to see the results. Once you evaluate, you might see some mistakes or you might see some things that need to be improved and corrected, and that's step 5. You have number 5 is correction. And like I just said, you know, correct and improve your whatever it is that you're doing, marketing, running ads, keywords, whatever. And number 6 is reapplication, and do it again. Reapply your methods, correct it and improved, and keep it doing over and over, every month, every couple of months, every few weeks. Just evaluate, correct, and reapply. And number 7 is results. Watch your results on regular basis, just like the others before. And these are the 7 steps that I was gonna share with you today. So if you have any questions, you might have some comments, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments or concerns, don't hesitate to contact me through email or right over here. And I will see you on the other side, my friend. And to yours, success and freedom. David Ryška. See you later.